class is it?
99! PT physical therapy!
What class is it?
99!
What class is it?
99!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Magbubukas na ang pinaka-legendary na bahay sa buong bansa. Nagsimula na rin ang malawakang paghahanap ng mga susunod na housemate ni Kuya. Sino ang mapipili at ating susubaybayan? At anong mga panibagong hamon naman kaya ang kanilang haharapin sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? Yan ang dapat nating pakaabangan.
Gusto na. Ay, dito kami. Perpetual. Oh. Ay, RJ! RJ! Wow! Gusto na! Hindi na tumatanda. Long time.
1, 2, and 3. Oh, diba? Saan mo kay ano? Kay Victor?
Ito yung Airbnb.
Oh, ito.
Kaya pala may ano ganito.
Ikaw saan ka? Dito ka na mag-stay din.
Sa Sunrise. Tingnan mo si Giselle, talaga. Ewan ko sino pang tumulong sa'yo. Tingnan mo, laki yung paghihirap niya dyan. Talagang, grabe, talagang 3D, ano pa, box pa, hindi lang talaga letter, talagang 3D. May ano. Oo, tingnan mo yan. Wow.
Kasi parang meron tayong diba?
Kailangan yung ano, talent pin ni Giselle. Ano natin?
Mahirap yan.
Mahirap yan. Nako.
Dinalo ang isang pasyente, isang SOC niya.
Oo, tsaka ano yan,
Dinalo.
may cake. Ayan, may cake. Meron pang chicken joy. May pandesal. Ayan, may butter.
1, 2, 3. Eto kami. Magkakasama na kami.
Nag-enjoy yung misis mo. Makasin siya.
Hey! Ito na. Wow!
Sa Dubai, mga lapit na. Sa Dubai.
Lisa.
Yung
naman.
Rivera ng batch namin.
Ayan. Oh. Hello.
Hi, June. It's been a while. Oh, June. Oh my God. Hello, guys. Ako.
Ayun.
Vegas.
Hindi ba na-delay ang mga flight ninyo? Yan, si Philip. Hindi naman siya paya, tama lang. Ayan.
Sumama ka sa kanila.
Ayan, dito kami. Ako si June, si Joy, si Philip, si RJ. Hey! Dito kami.
Hanapin niyo yung maarte.
Dami niya na miss.
Ay, gusto ko to.
Bali ba ako pa yun?
2020 pa. Pero gagamitin natin sa Las Vegas sign.
2020 pa yan.
Ay, ito dapat yung naging
Baka
na-postpone.
hindi naman kasi sa akin yan,
Na-postpone.
Oh, yan
Kaya
ang
nga, di ba
t-shirt.
binigyan ko na kayo?
Oo, nasa akin.
Pero galing to sa'yo, Giselle. Ha? Galing yan sa akin. Ako nagpagawa na.
Learn life will bear fruit for a success.
tayo doon para meron naman tayong picture sa Las Vegas.
We're all here at the welcome to the fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada sign. We're here with all our batchmates, most of them about 25 years ago. So it's really an exciting moment that it's finally happening. 4 years in the making. The original year of this reunion was supposed to be 2020, but because of COVID, it became 2024. And we're all enjoying each other's company for University of Perpetual Help Rizal BSPT 1999. Later this evening, we're also going to have our grand reunion itself, and it's going to be there in Icebox. So Mike will be our audiovisual presenter. Of course, you know, Giselle will be the host, and I'm only the co-host. Joy is for the prayer, for the closing remarks. It's Venus, and many more. Watch out, and thank you. Congratulations for all of us for making it here. Whether you're here or not, we're here celebrating each other's company. Ano nararamdaman mo ngayon na na-meet mo uli after many years?
Matanda na ako. 25 years later.
Pero still looking young, ha? Looking young. Congratulations.
No, looking old, looking old.
Taking care of yourself. Ayan.
May bago pa tayong isa.
Excited na sila magpa-picture sa Las Vegas side. Welcome to fabulous Las Vegas side.
Ito nga, papunta na raw.
O ano, kamusta na? Dumating na ang araw ng ating photo shoot. Kamusta na? Happy ba, happy?
Happy. We're looking forward to this day
Wow.
since the pandemic. So
Very
it's
good.
happening.
And that's Lisa May.
Hi.
Yeah.
Goes by
Talagang-
May.
Ang IQ Melendez ng Watch 99.
Picture daw para ipapost agad doon sa ano.
Oh, sige, picture. Nag-uusap ngayon si Trisa.
Nag-uusap kami.
Trisa at saka si...
Hello everyone! Dito po kami sa Las Vegas sign. I'm with Trisha. Trisha, kumusta ka na?
Ako, ito, si Teresa pa rin.
Trisha pa rin. Ilan na anak niyo ni Philip?
Dalawa na.
Dalawa na?
Habang
Parang hindi halata ha?
Ay, ganun.
Batang-bata pa talaga.
So, nakukuha yan sa mga remedyo.
Medyo. Salamat sa pag-imbita sa amin dito, June ha. We appreciate you. Ano masasabi mo, Trisha, sa pagpunta natin dito?
Exciting. Ano pa ba? Hindi ko alam. No comment.
No comment daw.
Excited.
Kay ano naman, kay Mayor Alice Go, nakita niyo na ba siya?
Ay, naku, behind ako sa mga chisms na ganyan.
So talaga bang pumunta mo na siya ng Malaysia?
Pass. No comment. Hindi ako updated.
Lumaki din po ba kayo sa farm?
Oo, ako din. Lumaki din ako sa farm. Ang tatay ko, nag-chicken.
So,
Kasi mahilig sa chicks.
mahilig sa chicks. Mahilig daw sa chicks.
Chicken, farms, chicks. Yun lang.
Thank you very much, Trisha. Ha?
Siyempre, dito kami ni Mike. Once in a lifetime event. After 25 years.
25 years, ha?
Talagang 25 years. So, syempre, mga ano namin, then and now, yung mga pictures namin noon, tsaka ngayon, konti lang ang difference. We tried our best to stay young, look healthy, and stay blessed. Dito kaming lahat, marami kami. Hinihintay na lang namin ngayon si Jing at saka syempre si Brenda. 5 minutes away. So, ito si Tessa, okay.
So afraid of the
Dito kami, masaya kami ngayon. So, kamusta naman? Nagka-countdown ka ba para sa event?
Of course, I'm so excited. Now it's finally happening.
Wow, I see. Today is August 31st, 2024. It's Saturday.
And we are here.
We are here. Welcome to the fabulous Las Vegas side. At kung alam nyo lang, sa likod niyan, nakasulat dyan.
Of course.
Yeah. Di ba? Yung sa likod? Oh, wow. Yeah, si Philip. Yeah, dito kami, of course. Kamusta naman ang 25 years? Parang
25 years, it's a
Mabilis
long
ba?
years. It's a long years, and we are so committed to be each other, and we have somehow ignite a good impact to ourselves in life, right?
That's wonderful.
Thanks to June, thanks to everyone who's been here. For those who are not here, and I will recommend you in the future to be here, and make some same experience that we have. Thank you, June.
That's wonderful, and thank you for everything that you do. I know in Chicago, Illinois, you're a
Yes.
wonderful physical therapist,
Am I?
and you're privileged also to do a lot of wound vacs, and that's really great for all these wound patients and many others.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course, you're being appreciated in our
In our
profession.
profession.
Yeah,
Thank
which
you.
is so golden. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, may mga dumating pa doon. Oh, thank you, Teresa. Oh, yeah. Ayan, dito na sila. Ayan. Yeah, dito sila. Ayan, sila Elaine. Talagang magulo ngayon. Pero, yan. Yan, dito na sila, si Elaine, nandiyan si Elaine, si Venus. Dito rin si Helen, tsaka si Wenny. Yan, dito sila. Maraming nasayahan sa iyong breakfast kanina. Pinagluto mo sila ng breakfast.
You're welcome. Marami pong nabusog at habang sila'y tulog, ako po'y nagluto para sa almusal ng aking mga kaklase.
Maaga yung gumising talaga kasi maaga rin ang meet up namin dito, pero tingnan mo naman, time management niya, excellent.
Siyempre, salamat.
And sa Bakersfield, California pa nga pala.
Bakersfield, California po.
Oh, Bakersfield, California. And congratulations at you made it here.
Thank you.
Once in a lifetime event.
I
25
know.
years.
25 years, we're here.
Oh. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you.
More to come.
Yung August kasi yung Katrina, yung idol.
Yan, nag-uusap ngayon. Nag-uusap ngayon dito si RJ at saka si Papa Burns. Yeah. Oh, ano ba? Kailan kayo huling nagkita ni Papa Burns?
Tagal pa, sa Pilipinas pa lang tayo. Pilipinas pa. Yun tayo na before ka nagpuntang UK na, di ba? Naalala mo sa restaurant.
Tagal talaga.
20 years.
Tagal talaga. So, alam ko siya sa New Orleans at ikaw sa Temple, Texas, right?
Oh, Temple, Texas.
Wow. So far, kailan ang balik niyo sa mga lugar ninyo?
Bukas.
Uwi na.
Ikaw, kailan?
Bukas din.
Bukas din.
Tapos na maliligayang araw, balik trabaho na.
Back to normal na. Back to normal. Back to reality.
Hi, I'm distributing the old shirt. This was the shirt from 2020. So we're using it right now for the Las Vegas sign
Ang ganda
pictorial.
ng shirt, tapos meron siyang spine.
Yes.
Yeah, vertebrae. BSPT 1999. Tingnan mo naman, nakahabol pa kami before the millennium.
Yes.
Wow. Kaya talagang hello dyan para sa mga taga-Perpetual, mga Perpetualites.
Yes.
Dami na rin namin yung mga sa Perpetual Laguna at lahat ng branches ng Perpetual. Yeah. So,
Thank you. Thank you, June.
thank you, Giselle, for all your efforts.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome, guys.
And we're just starting this day kasi marami pang mangyayari ngayon.
Mamaya.
Mamayang gabi. Today, again, is August 31st, 2024. Ito talaga almost 5 years in the making. 2022 dapat ito, pero finally it's happening.
It's happening.
It's happening.
See you later.
See you later.
Live streaming.
How do you feel it's finally happening?
Oh gosh, super excited. Kamusta, June?
Of course, ang name mo ulit para sa
Elaine.
Yes. Wow.
Bakit 2020 shirt to?
Wenny, how do you feel about this event?
I feel warm. I feel happy.
It's finally happening.
It is happening.
Wow. And nag-long drive ba kayo? Nag-long drive?
Yes, we just got here. Look at me.
Wow, so maaga kayong umalis. Maaga talaga.
4 a.m.
Wow. Thank you for all your efforts.
Better than hitting traffic.
Thank you. Ayan na sila.
Ano ba small ka? Sabi ko Trish.
Ate Venus.
Hi!
Venus, how do you feel? Nandito ka na.
I'm so excited too. I'm excited too.
And thank you for
see everybody.
At salamat, nag-gumising ka pa ng mas maaga.
I know.
Ng breakfast.
Of course.
Thank you. Kamusta na?
Hello. Kamusta
How do
naman?
you feel? 25 years, it's now happening.
We still feel young. Young at heart.
Yung 25 years, so parang ang tagal. Parang
bilis lang. I know. Bilis lang. Hello, Tess.
Congratulations. You made it
I miss
here.
you guys.
Wow. Congratulations and thank you for coming.
Of course. Of course. Laging extra.
Uy, tayo.
Ano na eh?
Oh, kamusta na? So Tess, anong town ka?
Na?
Sa city.
Oh, I'm in West Hollywood.
So talagang big city talaga.
Big city ba talaga? I'm also gonna promote kasi I just opened a spa, Beauty and Skincare by Terry Shore. It's located in Beverly Hills. So just look for me and you'll see there's a lot of service that I could offer you. So check it out.
Of course. And what's the address there?
It's 300 South Beverly Drive in Beverly Hills.
Thank you. Congratulations on your new
Thank you.
venture.
Thank
I'm
you.
sure it's gonna flourish and you're a wonderful entrepreneur and
Thank
it
you,
will
thank
grow
you.
and grow.
I hope so too.
Yeah. Thank you
All
so
the
much. Ina-capture lang namin yung event. Yeah, dito sila. They're all excited and they're just enjoying the moment.
Para maganda tayo sa ano. Hi, June. How are you?
How do you feel after 25 years? It's happening.
Oh my gosh, it feels like just yesterday. Thank you for having us.
And thank you also for the shirt you sponsored for all of us.
Yeah, later you're gonna wear it. Not this one yet.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
husband mo is puti ba?
Nag-uusap si Brenda at saka si Joy. Nag-uusap sila.
Say hi. Ay, hello.
Hello sa mga, mag-hello ka sa UPH.
May meron yung mic.
Okay.
Siyempre, oo.
Konti na lang paghihintay mamaya ng ating grand reunion.
Naman, syempre, very excited. Excited ako para sa ating 25th annual reunion natin. Reunion.
We're very happy that miraculously you both made it. You and
I
Brenda.
know, right? We're so happy too.
So, but
yes.
they're
Yeah, I'm also happy that we're able to make it. So see you guys later.
God made it work for all of us.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, June.
Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi, Christopher. Binibidyo lang kita. Yan, okay. That's Christopher Llanos.
Yes.
Yeah. Our cum laude.
I'm good.
I'm
Thank
cum
you.
laude.
Why are you not here? What
Aba,
happened?
in English ka, yari ka na.
Anong mananda mo sa imo?
Oh, yan.
Nakadriman?
Christopher.
Oh.
Christopher, you made it sa video.
I know. Hindi simula ako.
Don't feel bad. Meron pang susunod. Baka may Pearl anniversary. Baka may mga plano. Okay.
You have plans daw.
This is just the beginning.
Okay, sige. Mamaya, later on.
Interview natin si Chris. How do you feel that 25 years is happening now? Nandito kami lahat. Kasama ka virtually. So, any message for our batchmates and of course our cum laude?
Ingat kayo. Enjoy the moment. Be in the moment. Enjoy.
Ayan,
Okay?
that's
Sing ng God bless, okay? Ingat kayo.
Okay, that's Christopher Llanos. Okay, our cum laude sa batch natin. At another cum laude from this
Thank you very much.
program.
Thank you.
And congratulations. You're happily married.
Yes, I am.
And with
Nakahabol.
two kids or one?
Just one.
Just one.
One and done. That's all I need.
Congratulations.
I feel like 100 years old with this little one.
And you are in, where do you
I
live?
live in Poway, San Diego.
Oh, okay, San Diego. So,
Yes.
malapit ka lang kina Eugene.
No, not really. I live a good 1 hour north, a little bit further.
okay.
I'm actually closer to Rod.
We'll still be
Pero
here
ako-
till Monday.
Baka magpasyal-pasyal pa kayo.
Bukas, baka dito lang sa mga hotel-hotel lang. Strip, sa along the strip lang. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you later.
Okay.
Nako, mamaya. I'm sure. It's gonna be fun.
Buti nag-ano kayo, nakapagplano kayo na umabot tayo dito.
I know. Nung una nga hindi na. Sabi namin ako kumakain pa and then Wendy just came and her family. So akala namin hindi na kami makakapunta. Good thing you guys waited too. Yeah,
Yes.
right?
Umabot pa kina Jing. Tsaka si Brenda.
Exactly.
Fresh
Yun
from
nga.
the airport.
Fresh from the airport. Sige, see you later.
99! 15 physical therapy!
What class is it? What class is it?